In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your cluster settings right here in your Hyundai. A lot of Hyundais, whenever I first get into them, have this very simple style. Over here on the left is your speedometer, over on the right is your tachometer. You can't change that, but you can change the style of it. So what we're going to do is go over here from our main menu screen, and the way I got there was from this menu, I press Setup, and then I press Cluster. And then I press Cluster Theme Selection. And you can see here it's on Simple Style A. So watch when I press Classic. That's simple, that's classic. I like that a lot better. That's more like a regular speedometer and a regular tachometer. You can see over on the left, it just looks like an old school speedometer, but it's fully digital. Now what's really neat as well is I can choose a different style for them. I can go style B, style C, that's kind of sporty, A, B, C, or it also gives me an option that says link to drive mode. Down here is drive mode. And this is how it is in a lot of traditional vehicles. So we're going to press link to drive mode. And right now, whenever I toggle this, that is eco mode. And you can see it says eco here, and it all turns green. And that gives me a kilowatt meter right here and a regular speedometer on the right side. Then I have snow mode. It changes it up. Then I have my drive, and that's customized settings. And then I have sport, and then everything turns red and it looks nice and sporty. So that is how to change your cluster theme selection in your Hyundai. Thanks for watching, everybody.